He had $183 in his bank account. And 3 businesses. He wasn't lazy. He wasn't unlucky. He was working 16 hours a day, 7 days a week, and still couldn't pay his rent on time. This is the mistake nobody warns you about. And one conversation changed everything. The 3 businesses, Marcus had built what most people called a hustle stack, a print-on-demand store, a freelance writing gig, and a digital templates business. On paper, it looked like ambition. In his bank account, $183. Because when he finally sat down and broke the numbers, the print-on-demand store made $400 last month. After costs, $150. The freelance writing brought in $600, but at 40 hours of work, that's $15 an hour. And the templates? $80. Total. He wasn't building 3 income streams. He was slowly bleeding from 3 open wounds and calling it strategy. Sound familiar? Because right now, someone watching this is running the exact same race, just with different names on the businesses. The millionaire's diagnosis. Then, one evening, a millionaire friend sat across from him, looked at his numbers, and said something Marcus wasn't ready to hear. You don't have 3 businesses. You have 3 distractions. Marcus pushed back. He'd read the books. He'd watch the videos. Diversify your income. Build multiple streams. Never put all your eggs in one basket. The millionaire didn't blink. That advice is for people who already have money. You're not diversifying. You're escaping. You're spreading yourself across 3 things so if one fails, it doesn't feel like you did. Marcus had no answer for that. Stop calling it a side hustle. The turning point, the real advice, that language keeps it small. It's either a business or it's a hobby. Right now, you're running 3 expensive hobbies. He told Marcus to shut down 2 of them, not pause them, not put them on hold, shut them down. Pour everything, every hour, every dollar, every decision into the one with the most potential. 6 months. Total focus, no backup plan. The wealthy don't diversify first. They build one overwhelming success and then diversify. Your attention is your most valuable asset. Right now, you're giving it away in pieces. He almost didn't listen. The payoff, he shut down the print-on-demand store. He dropped every freelance client and went all in on the templates. He studied design. He mastered his marketing. He built something that felt like a real business, because for the first time it was treated like one. 3 months in, he was still scared, but 6 months after that conversation, he quit his job. The templates business was generating $12,000 every month, from $183 to $12,000. Not because he worked harder, because he finally stopped dividing himself. The Fortune Whispers. 6 truths. 1. Focus is not a comfort zone. It is a weapon. 2. Diversification without a foundation is just organized failure. 3. Every hour split across 3 things is 3 hours stolen from the one that could change everything. 4. Side hustle is a mindset that keeps things small. Call it a business, or don't start it. 5. The wealthy don't build backup plans when starting. They build conviction. 6. Your attention is your most valuable currency. Spend it like it costs everything, because it does. Right now, someone is working themselves to exhaustion, running 3 distractions, and calling it ambition. Maybe that's you. The question isn't how many streams you have. The question is, which one are you willing to go all in on?